Hi, my name is Niraj, and I work as a student assistant at the Student Union in the Pleasant Hill campus. Welcome to an overview of DVCsync Engage for all DVC students. So once you are on the official DVC website, search for Student Life Office on the search bar in the top right corner. Click the search icon. Select the link which says Student Life Office. Once you click on that, it should take you to the Student Life Office page. On this page, you can either click on the big green DVC Sync image or the DVC Sync link in the green text. So this is one way to open the new DVC Sync Engage. If you would like to sign in, click the Sign In button here. As I have already signed in with my Insight user ID and password, it has already logged me in. Once I have logged in, I would be able to see all my club memberships, all the events, and beginning fall 2019, we have migrated to the updated version DVCsync Engage that now provides finance and accounting modules. This is the first video in the series of short video tutorials demonstrating how to use DVCsync Engage. There would be a link provided in the description to access the complete YouTube playlist of the tutorial.